In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Favicon not showing in Shopify. For this, you need to follow these steps. Check theme.liquid file. Navigate to online stores. Then go to themes. Then go to more actions. Then go to edit code. Ensure that the Favicon code has been added to your theme. If not, you can manually add it by placing the following within the head section. Step number 2. Convert your PNG Favicon to ICO. Visit an online conversion tool like ConvertICO or Favicon.io. Upload your PNG Favicon and convert it to ICO format. Step number 3. Upload the ICO file to your Shopify store. Login into your Shopify admin dashboard. Go to online store, then go to themes. Click on the themes you are using. Under files, upload your ICO Favicon. Step number 4. Update your website Favicon link. From your Shopify admin, go to online store, then go to themes. Click on customize for your active theme. In the left sidebar, click on theme settings and then Favicon. Select the uploaded Favicon image. Save your changes. Step number 5. Submit your site to Google Search Console. Verify your site ownership in Google Search Console if you have not already. Remember to replace your Favicon URL.io with the actual URL of your Favicon image. These steps should help ensure that your Favicon displays correctly on your Shopify store. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.